So we can start off really nice and simple, just talk a little bit about you and yourself and Health Online.
Of course. Okay, I'm Fiona. I've been working at Health Online for 8 years now.
Official title?
I'm the Brand and Marketing Manager here.
Brand and Marketing Manager.
Yeah.
So, health insurer, selling health insurance products. Talk to us a bit about the products you sell and kind of who they're for.
Yeah, so we are owned by AXA. AXA is the second biggest insurer within the UK to Bupa. So on the health insurance side of things, we sell about 8 different types of products. So our products, I guess how we stand out from the market is we're quite affordably priced in the health insurance sector. So cost is a really important thing to us, but also that personalisation that clients are able to have. So we will really listen to what a customer is asking for, listen to what their needs are, and then try and build them a package of health insurance that suits their requirements. So it might be that they're really interested in cancer cover, or they could be really interested in mental health cover, for example, and we will try and build a package that suits their individual need rather than just having a specific
off the shelf. This is it.
Yeah. We also have a separate trading style called Insure Me Online. Insure Me Online sells lots of different products from lots of different providers across life insurance, funeral plans, over 50s cover. So we kind of cover a wide range of different policies that are available.
Okay, that sounds really good. So 5 years working with you, and just trying to go back to that time when we first started working with you, we didn't really know much at all about you guys. I remember one of the first things we did was sat in the call centre and kind of listen to some of the guys on the phone. This kind of personal relationship you have with customers is quite important, isn't it?
Yeah, that's one of our key selling points, as well as cost, is that personalisation. So the personalisation comes not only in building the policy, but actually you only speak, or a customer only speaks to one. They have their own dedicated account manager, as it were. So you will speak to your dedicated account manager throughout the process of trying to build your cover.
Yeah, and I think when we were doing this research initially, we looked and did some mystery shopping of some of your core competitors, and it's a very different experience. Getting past from, oh, hold on, you want to get a quote for this, look behind it, the quote team. And
exactly.
Yeah?
Exactly.
Very different.
Yeah, I think we've all been there where you're looking for insurance and you get passed from pillar to post. Yeah. And actually at Health Online, we're really keen to solve that problem.
Now we're involved in a number of projects with you guys, from website builds to direct mail, and so it's quite a variety, but complementing your internal team. Obviously you've got a really good team here, so kind of using us as you need us.
So I think Fireworx is an extension of our marketing team in-house, really, and it's a really nice complementary fit. It allows us to be able to call on the expertise of other people that we wouldn't necessarily need on a full-time basis, but bring in as and when required. And I think one of Fireworx's kind of standout skills is their ability to look at a problem and come up with a solution, and almost to have that blue sky thinking. I think sometimes in marketing departments that are in-house, you get so involved in the organisation and the internal, what you can and can't do. It's really nice to be able to call on an agency that actually says, well, why aren't you doing that? Or challenges your processes, or actually just does a bit of blue sky thinking. And I think Fireworx is really good at that, and they're really kind of good at coming in, setting a vision for the team, getting the team really excited, and then working with us to be able to control the output of that as well.
No, that's great.
When we're looking for an agency to work with, the things that really impress us about Fireworx is definitely kind of the creativity. So being able to give a brief and have someone that knows your brand. I think speed of response is always a must for have. We tend to be guilty of giving you quite last minute jobs, as well as some of the longer projects that we simply don't have the resource to cater for in-house, but we know that we have been asked to deliver on a short deadline. So that's definitely really important for us.
That's not unique to you guys.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm
That's
sorry.
a lot of clients.
And communication.
Yeah.
So I think that's really key for us, is knowing that you've given it to a brand that actually can run with it, and you know that they will deliver, and you've got that reassurance.
That's cool. Yeah, thank you. We talked about challenging or disruptive thinking, as we call it. I know that's something that we talked about with, especially in your industry, where we're looking at the kind of competitive advantage. That's important for you guys?
Yeah, definitely, and I think that's how we want to position Health Online, as a disruptor within the health insurance industry. The health insurance industry is quite slow, is probably a nice way of putting it. And I think there's a realisation that actually insurance is definitely going to change over the next 5-10 years, and we need to be at the forefront of that. And so we would like to be seen as a disruptor, whether that's in the digital technology that we offer to our customers, whether that's in the output of how we present it, whether that's in our customer benefits. It all needs to be packaged together to create this one brand that can be a disruptor. And having an agency that actually has that mindset anyway is really important.